In this video, let me show you how to fix the Etsy app payment not processing error. Now, if you come across this error, there are a few things that you can do. The first thing that you need to do is make sure you check your card details. Ensure your card number, your CVV, as well as the expiration date are entered correctly. You'll also need to check your billing address and make sure that the Etsy account matches the billing address that you also have on your credit card as well as your bank. If those addresses do not match, you will have the payment processing error. But however, if none of these are the case with you, then in this situation, what you can do is try to reinstall the application of Etsy from your device and again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue will also be fixed. You can also try switching from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data as well as vice versa. So by following these few steps, you'll be able to fix the Etsy app payment not processing error. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.